Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spent 3 racks on new chain.
I had to do it right. I don't think anyone is not singing that song on repeat, right? Oh, and they're also doing that on repeat. Oh, Cardi B is so funny, oh my god. I am here today with a Do You Think I Should Keep It video. This came to my doorstep the other day. I mentioned it in one of my vlogs. If you are watching my Monday to Friday vlogs that I do, when I do them for the whole week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I do a vlog. Thank you so much. If not, in one of those vlogs I mentioned that this came and that I will show you guys and talk about it because I wasn't quite sure. So I said I would show you guys and go over and see what you thought together, but this purchase came from Matches Fashion. They are yet another retail stockist of designer goods and I wanted to shop their site. 1, 2, I found a code for 10% off. They had free shipping and then I think I found another code. So I saved a little bit on this handbag and for the one that it actually is, I was happy with that. So this is their famous like marble packaging, their boxes that they come, all their items you can select to come in is the marble packaging. And it looks like so. Wee! So it opens with the magnetic box, which everyone seems to be doing now, which is very nice, and says matchesfashion.com. And in here we have who packed my item, and you have the thank you card and the return slips and all that good stuff. And down inside, packed beautifully with lots and lots of tissue is this little guy. So inside is this teeny weeny little dust bag. It's a nice cotton dust bag. I would say it's not as luxurious as the Saint Laurent that I just got the other week, but from out of it comes this little bag. Oh, cute. Cute. It is. Oh, it's so cute. It really is cute. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, this is the Balenciaga Mini-City Bag. I have wanted this bag for a very long time. I have tried it on multiple times in stores when I've seen it. I've tried it on duty free when I've traveled. However, I just didn't, pull the trigger, and to me, it looked so tiny on me. I know I now have a lot smaller bags, so I mean, this basically is large compared to, my super mini and things like that. This one I spotted on Matches Fashion because it is the Balenciaga printed exclusive, I don't know if it's limited edition, but it has the Balenciaga logo print on the strap and on the mirror that you can see there in the white, which I think is a great little touch. Let me go ahead and show you the mirror. So the iconic mirror that comes on every city bag from Balenciaga, it has the little white printed Balenciaga as well, which I thought was a really cute little touch. So if you follow my channel, you may or may not know that I picked up from FASHIONPHILE.com a Balenciaga City, just the classic City, in the giant rose gold hardware. And a lot of you, when you realized, when I told you that I had actually returned it for a credit note, and that because I wasn't too keen on the hardware being giant and it was just a bit too gaudy and in your face, you were like, go for the classic City hardware, the original City hardware, which this is. It's not as in your face. So when I saw this come up, I thought, wow, it is a lot slicker. It's not as, chunky and in your face. This is the polished silver hardware. And in person, I don't think it's really going to show up on this video, but in person, It literally sparkles like little diamonds, like little gemstones on the bag, because it's like polished and cut like a diamond cut. It's so sparkly and pretty. It is just like a really nice little detail, like just sparkling like that, especially as a contrast against like this is like the aged kind of washed leather. So it's in the calfskin leather. All of Balenciaga's bags are so beautiful. Even the one I got from FASHIONPHILE.com, which was from the resale market, it still was in amazing condition, and it's really, really beautiful. Beautiful leather. So I knew that already. So this is what I wanted to go over with you guys. I am not sure about this bag. I'm not sure, I guess, to keep it. I think I've got like another week before I can return it. Or get a credit note from matchesfashion.com. I'm just not sure, and this is why. The strap, the crossbody or shoulder strap, like so, I'm just going to leave the foam on for now, obviously, attaches with this. Now, I mentioned this to my gorgeous girl, Kat. It's got the D-rings on the side, which you can see, and then the attachment is this hook. It literally is like just a push closure hook like this. It looks like something that, you know, your sports teacher at school would have like a whistle attached to. And it is attached to another D-ring on the actual strap. That noise you can hear is the two straps hitting against each other, like, sorry, the two metal pieces hitting against each other, and like it's literally that flimsy. If it sounds flimsy, that is because it is. Like, it just cheapens the bag so much, you guys. I don't know how I feel about it. There's no engraving on this whatsoever. There's no Balenciaga anywhere. I mean, it really comes across super cheap. And for the price of this bag, I'm just going to show you the hardware up close. Can you see it glisten? It's really pretty, isn't it? But for the price of these bags, you know, it's a designer luxury bag. It should be a little bit more substantial. It should at least be like a claw clasp, like that you pull down or whatever. You just simply push it in. It looks like I'm not kidding, one of those whistle lanyards. That's what it looks like. I'm not sure, you guys. I'm not sure. So here is the print up close as well to show you. This too, I mean, the price of the bag probably would have been a lot more if it was embroidery. But this too is just simply a transfer. So it's just like a sprayed on transfer, a print, and that's it. I think over time, I mean, look, it could chip. It could just rub off, like wear off and just go dull. It's not in any way, you know, permanent feeling. It just feels like it could rub away. I don't know if that would bother me either, but you can sort of see it closer there, I guess. It's literally like just a transfer, a print. So the layout of this bag, if you do know the cities, it has the front little pocket, like so, and this is quite substantial. It goes all the way down to the bottom here, and you could put a little lip gloss in it, I guess. And then it's got the long city tassels, which is very iconic to Balenciaga cities. You can unthread these if you want to, take them off, or you can cut them if you didn't want them to be, or you can stick them in the pocket. But beautiful zippers. I mean, you know, most of the details are really lovely. I think that these clasps, I don't even know what to call them. Yeah, clasps really ruin the whole bag. I really, really think they do. So the iconic mirror, like so, and that can stay in the pocket or not. You have the whip stitch on the handles, which again is the famous sort of thing for this bag, is their whip stitch along here. I mean, the leather is just so beautiful. You have the long top zipper closure with the tongues. So these tongues pull right out, which make the closure nice for easy access. So opening it up like so, you can tuck them in if you wanted to and not have them hanging out, or you can just have them hanging out and carefree. Really beautifully packaged by Matches Fashion, really beautifully packaged. So Internally, it is a cotton drill inside. Hopefully you can see down inside there. It is obviously just black. You have one zipper compartment on the back wall here, like so. One zipper compartment, which again has the nice little pull tab, and it has Balenciaga Paris there. And then the control number is underneath this tab. And then in here is all of the booklets with the leather swatch that the bag's made out of the calf leather, so that's down inside there. This little pocket is pretty small indeed. It wouldn't hold a phone or a wallet or anything, but I mean a lip gloss or a couple of cards or your card holder, that would be fine. However, this internal pocket is really substantial. I'm going to just go ahead and put a few things in here gently in case we are going to return. Here's my iPhone 7 Plus. Let's go ahead and put my Chanel zip around O case in there as my wallet. Not a problem. My Louis Vuitton card case just for extra cards. My Louis Vuitton multi-clay for extra keys. My car key, which I mean I could put in that back pocket if I wanted to. There we go, that's everything neatly in there. I mean, it really holds a lot, guys, a lot. Probably as much, if not maybe a bit more than the Palm Springs mini backpack. And that to me is a great grab and go size, And lastly, if I did want to fit my Celine, I'm carrying my Celine large shadow sunnies, I could slip them in the back there. And let's see, perfect. Wow, look, yeah, see. But I knew that from trying this bag on, that it really does hold a lot and does up nicely. I'm going to step back and give you some mod shots, and then we're going to have a chat of what we think. Okay, so again, for reference, 5'8", curvier, and this is the Balenciaga Mini-City Bag in black calfskin with the special edition Balenciaga strap, and this is it on me, just on my shoulder. I can't take all of the foam off, especially if I'm going to exchange or return. So this is it on me, just on shoulder. If I was to handheld carry it, quite cute, obviously very small. And then this is its crossbody, which I think is so the handiest way to probably carry this bag. But yeah, what do we think? Pretty cute. Okay, that is it, guys. That completes my kind of first impressions on this bag. Again, did I show you the shoulder strap? So it's got the kind of guitar shaped strap, shoulder strap, like kind of like a keypull pad, which is very comfy for wear. I mean, it's a really comfortable bag. I'm pretty sure if I do keep it, I will probably use it to death because it's so that kind of grab and go size that is just perfect for all your essentials. Okay, so in Australian dollars, I paid for this baby. It was 2,000 Australian dollars on matchesfashion.com. And again, it's the special edition because of all the printing on the strap, which I thought was quite a bit different. And yes, that is the retail price of this bag. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I will sit on it again for maybe a few more days and see how I feel. It clearly is a gorgeous bag. Total runaround bag, you know, no worries, like carefree kind of bag. You don't have to worry about weather or things like that. It's totally gonna get used, that's for sure. I just want to definitely be sure and feel like, you know, I'm really getting that kind of quality. So that brings me to the end of my video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, that would be so good, guys. I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Peace.